5 little ducks. Mother duck went out searching for her babies into the bushes and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and she asked little children for some help. What's wrong? I think she's looking for her babies. Then let's help her find them. Cora went out to find the little ducks over the rocks and far away. Cora happily said quack, 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 and one little duck jumped out to play. I found one! One little duck! Brody went out to find the little ducks over the bench and far away. Brody happily said quack, 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 and one little duck popped out to play. I found one! 2 little ducks! Edison went out to find the little ducks at the playground and far away. Edison happily said quack, 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 and one little duck flapped out to play. I found one! 1, 2, 3 little ducks! Cora went out to find the little ducks around the lake and far away. Cora happily said quack, 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 and one little duck wiggled out to play. I found one more. 1, 2, 3, 4 little ducks. Is this everybody?